Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your left click is not working properly on your Windows computer. If you're unable to left click, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you may have to just tap the Windows key on your keyboard, and you want to type in mouse settings. Best match to say system settings here. You can hit enter or use your arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate over to mouse settings like you see here. Go ahead and hit enter. So you should see primary mouse button up at the top. If you go ahead and try right clicking on it, so let's just say my first suspicion here is you accidentally swapped your primary mouse button. So go ahead and try and left click on that or right click on that and then switch it to the correct position. So left is typically the primary mouse button. So that's the first thing I recommend trying there. If you're unsuccessful with that, something else we can try here as well. Let's just say you're only able to right click. So something else you can try if you go open up the start menu again and you type in CMD, best result should go back with command prompt. Go ahead and select run as administrator. So if you need to right click or left click on that, whatever's working, and select yes. And now I'm going to have a few commands in the description of my video. So if you just want to highlight over each one at a time and just do Control C on your keyboard to copy and then paste it into the top bar of the command prompt window here by right clicking on it. Select edit and then select paste. Hit enter. Again, there's going to be a few commands in the description of my video, guys. I want you to run one at a time. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and copy the second command I'm going to have in the description of my video and paste it in here as well. So once you've done that one, so I just accidentally pasted something else in here. We're just going to go ahead and close out of it. And that's about it. So go ahead and restart your computer now. And there you go, guys. Hopefully it was as simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.